The Folio at 80 Broad Street in downtown Boston is one of the premier mid-lux condo buildings in the city. This development is seated in between the waterfront and financial district neighborhoods of Boston, Massachusetts. With relatively attainable price points in comparison to similar offerings in the area, the Folio delivers a more affordable yet luxurious living experience in an ultra-central location. This video will go over everything you need to know about the building, including unit finishes and layouts, floor plans, pricing, amenities, and location. Before we begin, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about this property, other luxury buildings, or looking to make a move, please message or call me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. Built in 2006, Folio is a 14-story luxury condominium development in Boston's financial district. Folio was designed by CBT architects who balanced the historic architecture of the area by using brick and granite at the street level and modern accents such as metal panel and curtain wall on the upper floors. Showcasing a sleek, modern facade that seamlessly blends contemporary design with the city's historic charm, the exterior features a mix of glass and masonry, creating a dynamic interplay between modern urban architecture and traditional Boston aesthetics. Expansive windows enhance the facade, flooding the interiors with natural light and offering residents stunning views of the city and, from some units, Boston Harbor. The building's vertical design emphasizes clean lines and efficiency, integrating harmoniously into the district's skyline while maintaining a distinctive presence. Folio Boston houses 96 condos, which range from studio to 3-bedroom units. On the ground floor of the building is a restaurant and lounge, as well as a high-end barbershop with separate entrances from the condos. Stepping inside the homes, kitchens at Folio Boston are designed with functionality in mind, catering to urban professionals and families. These kitchens feature high-quality finishes, such as granite countertops that provide both durability and a sophisticated look. Custom pog-and-pull cabinetry complements the countertops, offering ample storage space and a sleek aesthetic. Stainless steel appliances are present and in some upgraded units are by brands including Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Bosch. This greatly enhances the modern design while ensuring efficient performance. The kitchens are thoughtfully laid out, incorporating details like under-cabinet lighting to illuminate workspaces and contribute to a warm ambience. The design promotes an open concept flow, seamlessly connecting the kitchen to the adjacent living spaces, making it ideal for entertaining or casual dining. These kitchens align with the building's emphasis on blending contemporary style with practical elements reflecting the sophistication of the financial district. The living rooms at Folio Boston are designed to maximize the use of space, featuring large floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interiors with natural light and frame stunning views of the city skyline, the Rose Kennedy Greenway below, or the Boston Harbor. These expansive windows create an open and airy atmosphere, enhancing the modern feel of the units. The floors are adorned with bamboo hardwood, lending a warm and contemporary aesthetic that complements the building's urban sophistication. The living rooms blend with the kitchens, creating numerous places to entertain guests. Some units include fireplaces, adding a touch of luxury and a cozy focal point for the space. Select residences also feature balconies or private terraces, showcasing even better views and offering additional space to host friends or unwind after a long day. Moving to the bedrooms, which deliver a harmonious mix of comfort and modern design, making them a perfect retreat from the energy of the city. Large windows invite abundant natural light, creating a bright and open space while offering similar scenic views as seen in the living areas. Bedrooms have either bamboo hardwood floors or plush carpeting to elevate the aesthetic. Soft, neutral tones dominate the color schemes, fostering a calming environment conducive to relaxation. Ample closet space, including walk-in options in select units, ensures owners have plenty of space for their wardrobes. Primaries have ensuite bathrooms with soaking tubs, dual vanities, and walk-in showers. These thoughtfully crafted bedrooms cater to both comfort and practicality, delivering a serene escape. Marble or travertine finishes adorn the floors and walls, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. Spacious walk-in showers and deep soaking tubs featured in many units, provide a relaxing escape from city life. Modern, dual vanities with sleek countertops and ample storage space ensure both style and functionality. Thoughtful details like polished chrome fixtures and soft lighting enhance the overall ambience, making the bathrooms as inviting as they are practical. These thoughtfully crafted spaces reflect the high-end design aesthetic found throughout the homes at Folio Boston. Looking at amenities, Folio Boston offers a 24-hour concierge, which assists residents with their daily tasks, such as managing deliveries, assisting with belongings when arriving or departing, and handling in-home maintenance requests. A valet service enables owners to quickly drop off their vehicles and head up to their homes. When requesting their cars, owners call down to the concierge. There is also security on site around the clock to ensure only residents and authorized guests are allowed to enter the building. The concierge corresponds with maintenance to ensure any internal issues within the condos are quickly resolved. The front entrance features the concierge desk and an elegant lobby where residents can greet their guests or gather prior to going out. In terms of pricing and floor plans, studios range in size between 400 and 600 square feet, with prices between $500 and $600,000. One-bedrooms range in size between 670 and 1,000 square feet, with prices between $700 and $900,000. Two- and three-bedrooms range in size between 930 and 2,300 square feet, with prices spanning between $1 and $3 million. HOA fees are determined based on unit square footage and range between $400 and $2,100 monthly. Rentals are available between $2,500 and $8,900 per month. Now looking at location, Folio at 80 Broad Street enjoys a prime setting in the middle of Boston, surrounded by historic charm, modern amenities, and scenic green spaces. Situated in between the financial district and waterfront, with the Rose Kennedy Greenway seconds away, this address offers a unique blend of urban convenience and tranquility. Living here means direct access to the lush, expansive Greenway, a beautifully landscaped 17-acre park that stretches almost 2 miles through downtown Boston. This offers residents easy access to walking paths, art installations, and seasonal events like farmers markets and outdoor yoga classes. This green space serves as an urban oasis where you can relax, stroll, or engage in recreational activities. Folio is strategically located near Boston's financial district, making it ideal for professionals who work in the city's thriving business center. This proximity allows for short commutes with major companies, corporate headquarters, and institutions within easy walking distance. The area is bustling during the day with professionals, yet quiet in the evenings and weekends, offering a balanced urban lifestyle. A short walk from the property leads to Boston's picturesque waterfront, where residents can enjoy the scenic harbor walk, lined with shops, restaurants, and historic sites. The Seaport District is also nearby, a fast-growing hub for innovation and technology, as well as a hotspot for dining, entertainment, and cultural attractions. Popular destinations like the Institute of Contemporary Art, nightclubs, shopping, and upscale restaurants provide endless leisure options. Commuters will appreciate the property's excellent transportation links. Residents have access to the Blue and Green Line MBTA train stations within 5 minutes. South Station is also just a few minutes away, offering access to Amtrak trains, MBTA subway lines, and buses, making getting through Boston and beyond incredibly easy. Logan International Airport is 15 minutes by car or 20 minutes by public transit, perfect for those who do a lot of traveling. The location also provides easy access to I-93 and I-90, ideal for those who commute by car outside the city. The area also hosts a variety of dining options with seafood restaurants along the waterfront to Italian eateries in the North End. Shopping opportunities are plentiful, with both luxury and boutique options minutes away, as well as large retail centers nearby. Residents enjoy a vibrant nightlife scene with bars, lounges, and live entertainment venues all within close reach. In conclusion, Folio at 80 Broad Street offers an unbeatable combination of location and convenience, with easy access to the best Boston has to offer. It's a perfect home for those who work or study downtown. If you'd like to tour this building or you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.